How to fix message unavailable on Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the messages being unavailable in Messenger. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed Messenger in your mobile device and it's updated to the latest version available. There can be various reasons that you are not able to see the messages in your messenger. The first one can be sometimes we may unknowingly violate some rules or regulations of messenger. So you have to take care about that as well. Check if your internet connection is stable. You can also reconnect to your Wi-Fi or the mobile data, whatever you're using. And the next thing you can do is uninstall the Messenger application and then reinstall it using the Play Store. And also make sure that it's updated or installed in its latest version available. So if you see an update button instead of play button over here, simply update it to the latest version. So that's it for the video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.